Hi, today we are going to evaluate Sage module which is built for the Perfect CRM. So basically to install the module first I have to go to setup and then go to modules. From here I have to choose the module file. Basically it's a zip file. So let me browse it to that. Here it is, and you just have to press install. So it's a plug and play module, so once you press the install it will install automatically. So once you're done with the installation, so you will see the module will be listed over here in this module list. Let me show you over here. I have already installed it. Here it is, you can see. As I have already pressed the button activate, so that's why it is not showing to me over here. Otherwise you will see activate button like that over here, so you have to press that activate button. Once that is pressed, you will see the module will be installed over here. Then you have to configure your Sage. So then you have to configure your Sage, and for the configuration I'm going to click over here, Sage configuration. So once you click over Sage configuration, you will see an interface like that. Over here I have to provide three things, that is client ID, Sage client secret, and redirect URI of the Sage. So let me do all this. Once you click on this link, basically it will open a developer portal where you have to create one app. From that app, within the Sage you will get client ID and then client secret. So all the steps are already written over here, that how you are going to create an app. And once you created an app, you will get the app credentials like client ID and client secret, which you need to add over here in these two fields. So I have already created an app, so let me show you how to grab the required credentials and how to set the callback URL. Here you can see the Sage developer counting screen. So I'm going to log in. Basically this is a developer portal. So once you signed in, you will see the screen like that. You can create a new app from here. You can give any name, then your email address, then home page URL, and this is the callback URL. Basically callback URL is the one which points to your domain. I have already created an app over here, so let me show you example. You can see my app name, email address, homepage URL of your site, and this is the callback URL where Perfex CRM has deployed. So it the callback URL is basically like that: your domain name slash the Perfex folder where CRM is deployed, then slash admin slash Sage and Sage callback. And you can once the app is created, you can see your client ID and client secret. You can simply press show button. Over here it will show you your client ID and client secret, and you can copy your client ID and paste it to your domain in your Perfect CRM. So I'm pasting my client ID over here. client secret over here, and this is the redirect URL. Basically copy it from here and pasting it to here, and then I have to press save button. Once that step is done, and whenever you create your invoice and any payment made against those invoice, all those will be logged to your Sage account. And one more thing, all the customers will be automatically created in the Sage end. Whenever you create any invoice over here in Perfex, or any new customer which is created on the Perfex, that customer account will be automatically created on your Sage account. So I hope you like that module. And if you like to buy the script, the link will be available in the description. Thank you.